Money you always wish you had a bit more. To buy that fancy dress or a new gadget. To save more for your vacation or a cool dinner date. To pay off your debt faster or just feel more laid back about your whole personal finance situation. The follow list features some simple, yet effective, and creative ways to make money on the side. You can earn a few extra hundreds each month without spending neither much time nor efforts. In today's video, we will be showing you some of the smartest way to make money. Without further ado, let's begin. No-risk matched betting. Hands down the quickest way to make a lot of money from home. Lots of students have genuinely made $100 from this technique. It's completely legal, risk-free, tax-free, and anyone over 18 in the UK can do it. Not in the UK, skip to number 2. Matched betting works by taking advantage of free bets offered by betting sites and matching them at a betting exchange. This removes the risk as you are betting both for and against an outcome. You can then squeeze out the free bet, which can be as much as $100. Multiply this by all the betting sites there are, and you can quite easily be in profit by a few £100s. We walk you through how to make your first $13 profit, using a real example, in this gem of a guide to matched betting. If you know of any better way to make $40 an hour sitting at home, please let us know. Online paid surveys. A popular way for people to make money online is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can quickly make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can back up to $3, $5 for some surveys. A few good ones to try are branded surveys, swag bucks to Luna, Pinecone, Life Points, OnePoll, etc. Searching the web. Interested in how to make money fast by doing what you already do online? This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online. Kimi.com rewards you for searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. Install a simple browser extension and sponsored results will show alongside your normal search results. Kimi paid search. Each Kimi result has a cash reward attached. If you are interested, simply click on it and collect your reward. You can also complete surveys to top up your earnings. The best thing is, there is no minimum to cash out. Our first one was just 72 points wired to our PayPal account. You also have the option to donate it to charity. Online market trading. Investing in the stock market isn't necessarily an easy way to make money, but it can be lucrative if you learn to do it properly. By the same token, you may suffer significant losses if you don't take it seriously. Today, there is no need to fund the yachts of Wolf of Wall Street-style stockbrokers. You can do it all yourself with the help of online market trading platforms. Having spent many hours researching this new opportunity, I've been using the popular platform eToro.com. eToro has over 20 million users worldwide and offers free practice accounts. They featured in the BBC Two documentary Traders, Millions by the Minute, and sponsors several Premier League football clubs. One of the best things on eToro is the Copy Trader feature. This lets you see, follow, and copy the investments of other top-performing traders. Follow George's complete guide to trading on eToro to learn more. $50 is a good amount to maximize the learning curve by trying out different markets. If nothing else, you'll learn a great deal about various investments and industries. Please be aware that all trading involves risk. eToro is a multi-asset platform that offers real asset ownership and high-risk leveraged CFD products. 68% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. You should consider whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. This content is not financial or investment advice. Start your own website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website with Bluehost takes less than 20 minutes, costs hardly anything, and can be done by an 82-year-old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitors, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. Save the Student is just one example of a successful website. Started at university by Owen Burke, it has since grown to serve over 1 million visitors a month. Read Owen's step-by-step guide on how to create a website in 20 minutes from home. It's really one of the best assets you can have. Review websites and apps. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser, so perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing user testing, a platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10 via PayPal. Simply sign up here, complete a test review, and look forward to receiving websites in your inbox. The Disney Vault Secret. To keep demand high across generations, Disney Studios restrict the supply of some home-release classics. Physical Blu-rays are locked away in the vault for 8 to 10 years before being released for a short time. Buy them in this window at normal retail price, and you can turn a nice profit when they go off sale for another decade or so. For example, in 2011, you could buy Beauty and the Beast on Blu-ray 3D for just $24.99. In just a couple of years, it was on Amazon for a staggering $74.99. Importantly, not all Disney releases are subject to the vault, and only the true classics will maintain such demand. Right now, there are just 2 titles out of the vault, which I would recommend snapping out. They are Bambi Diamond Edition Blu-ray and The Lion King Diamond Edition Blu-ray. Get paid to sites. Similar to making money from online surveys, GPT sites reward you in cash and vouchers for completing various offers or activities online. The most popular sites today are Toluna, Swagbucks, and Inboxbounds. Become a delivery rider or driver. Own a bicycle, motorbike, or car. What about a smartphone? That's all you need to make extra money by delivering food or people whenever you have some spare time. Sign up to delivery specialist companies like Deliveroo, which are always on the hunt for new riders. They allow you total flexibility to work when you want, delivering food from restaurants to the customer's door. You can make up to $16 an hour. Double up your opportunities by directly contacting local takeaways and bigger chains like Domino's to see if they have any delivery jobs going. Publish a Kindle ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money on Amazon. The Kindle app is now available on any device, so your global market is huge. List your book for $1.49 to $6.99, and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember, people are looking to spend, that is a fantastic deal. The key to success with ebooks is to create value and write nonfiction. Bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem, for example, secrets to finding a job, and then presenting it in an easy-to-digest format, an ebook, justifies someone spending a few quid on it. Once your ebook is live on the Kindle store, it's important to get some reviews so it shows up higher in results. Encourage readers to leave an honest review at the end of your book. The best thing about this lucrative idea is that once you've invested the time, say 20 hours, you'll earn a passive income for years to come. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.